Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, you will learn how to randomly generate an integer between two numbers. So let's say we wanted to generate one value between 1 and 10. So let's open our uh, Google Colab notebook here. So we'll import numpy as np. And then the syntax for this is we'll do np dot random and then that random integer, the other random number. So this is for integer. So if we wanted between 1 and 10, we'll do 1 comma. Now, if you wanted to include 10, you have to add 1 because Python, usually the last number you put in is not included. So we add 10 plus 1. And in this case, because we wanted 1, we would say the size that we wanted is only one number. So it will randomly generate one number between 1 and 10. So if we run this code here, it will tell us, it will give us one number. So this is like a flip of a coin, and the number generated is 9. Let's do another example. What if now we wanted to generate, let's say, an integer between 1 and 100, do plus 1. Now, between 1 and 100, but this time, instead of just one number, let's say we wanted to generate 10 numbers. So we would include the size to be 10. We can add size equal to 10, or we could just leave it as 10. And here it is, these 10 numbers, 14, 68, 94, 37, 67, 74, 20, 89, 20, and 15 are the 10 numbers that were randomly generated numbers between 1 and 100. Now, sometimes, by the way, if I run this code one more time, most likely we're not going to get the same set of 10 numbers. So let's do this. Okay? See, it changed 52, 18. Now, if you wanted to make sure that it generates the same set of random numbers, we can add a new line for called a seed number. So random, that random integer. Let's say we wanted to select, even it doesn't have between one, it could be between, let's say between 100 and 1000. And let's say we wanted to generate um, uh, 10 of them. Okay, 10 of them. Now, it will generate, but now what we're interested in is what about if we wanted to keep this same set of numbers are generated every time we do this? And that's called by adding np and random seed. So random that seed, and then you can choose any number you want. Okay, I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, or 4, any number, 1234. Now, what this will do is it will know exactly where to start when it randomly generates it, and it will generate the same values again. So here are the 10 numbers, or we needed to print them. In order to show them, this has to come at the last. So Python only prints the last line. And in this case, the last line that I had was the seed, and that didn't need to be printed. There you go. So these are the 10 numbers between 100 and 1000 that it generated. Now, if I run this same code, let me copy and add a new code. And if we run this code one more time, it will generate the exact set of numbers. And sometimes you may want to keep the same number, and that's how you will do this.